In this video, I will show you how to make Fantasy Premier League draft. So to do that, simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for Fantasy Premier League, then click on the URL. From here, click on this three lines menu bar in the top left corner. Here you can see Fantasy, click on it. Here you will get three options. Click on FPL Draft. Then you will be redirected to Fantasy Premier League Draft. Click on Login Now or Register Now. From there, you can simply create or join a league. Click on it. Then participate in live snake draft where managers take turn picking unique players. And that's it. That is how you can make a Fantasy Premier League draft. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.